Hello everyone, are you confused by complicated floor drain installation? What if there was a solution that offers quick and simple installation while ensuring perfect quality? Today, we are thrilled to introduce our latest innovation, the new generation XPS panel, specially designed for floor drain installation. Let me walk you through the product details. It consists of two interlocking panels forming a 1.2 meters by 1.1 meters square board. The 1.1 meters side is divided into 80 centimeters and 30 centimeter sections that can be opened to place the floor drain. With 70 millimeters thickness and 35 kilogram per cubic meters density, it features an XPS chrome sandwiched between thin cement layers. The current template is perfectly compatible with our model A1 600 millimeters floor drain. This is Europe's best-selling horizontal outlet linear floor drain, designed with DN 40 millimeters horizontal outlet pipes. With width 70 millimeters, height 70 millimeters. Unique French design for easy waterproof membrane application. Important notice: our XPS panels are also compatible with other brands of drains with the same specifications. Now, let's see the installation steps. Step 1. Open the two panels. Blend the pipeline route according to your bathroom's actual conditions and determine the required installation size for the XPS panel. Cut the XPS panel to your desired length and width. Then cut out corresponding pipeline grooves on the panel bottom based on the water outlet's actual position. Step 2. Place the floor drain and lay the pipes along the pre-cut grooves. Securely connect the pipes to the drain outlets. After all connections are made, it is essential to test the sealing of all joints to ensure there are no water leakage issues before proceeding with the formal installation. Step 3. If everything is okay, open them. Apply the sealant between the panels, then close them. That's it. Isn't it simple? However, there are important points to note for the final installation. The most crucial is waterproof membrane installation. Apply the included drain waterproof membrane around the drain. Internal the waterproof membrane along the joint gap between the two panels. Also install the internal and external corner membranes and edge sealing strips. Then lay tiles over the surface to complete installation. The drain waterproof membrane comes free with floor drain purchase. Corner membranes and edge sealing strips are available for separate purchase. All water membranes are available in both self-adhesive and non-adhesive versions, so you can choose according to your installation preference. Our XPS floor drain panels go beyond easy installation and 100% waterproofing. They create a safer, more comfortable space. They combat moisture and mildew, are flame retardant for added safety, and provide shock absorption and sound isolation for peace and quiet. Moreover, we offer custom XPS panels for other trim lengths. Thank you for watching.